This is Whiskey 5, Romeo Charlie Delta. Tony down here in Gilmer, Texas. I enjoy your broadcast every day. I like looking at it on YouTube. I'm using a Nikon 7300 and just yesterday made it up with a HAL PR781 and would like your comments on the audio, please, sir.
Yes, sir. Down in Texas, RCD, what is the name there, please, sir?
What is the name there, please, sir?
Yes, sir. The name is Tony.
Yes, sir. Tony in Texas. Let's go through your 7300. You did say a 7300, Roger?
You did say a 7300, Roger?
Yes, sir. 7300 with HAL PR781.
Yes, sir. Okay, let's go through the setup procedure for the 7300. It starts with engaging your compressor at a 3. Turn your compressor on and adjust it to a 3. Roger?
Adjust it to a 3. Roger?
All right, it is presently on, and it is set on a 5 right now.
All right, so reduce it to a 3, sir.
All right, so reduce it to a 3, sir.
Yes, sir. All right, have it there.
All righty. So now that you have your compressor engaged at a 3, move to your ALC with mic gain in hand and adjust your ALC to run mid-scale to 2/3. Now, you'll have to speak kind of rapidly, 100, 200, 300, to keep that ALC meter up so you can see how to adjust it with your mic gain control. Roger?
Your mic gain control, Roger?
Yes, sir. It should be. It is just right at mid-scale right now, so I need to add a little bit more to it again.
Yes, sir. We need a little bit more. Mid-scale to 2/3. The actual sweet spot is halfway between mid-scale and 2/3, but we need that action, so we just call mid-scale to 2/3. Roger?
Mid-scale to 2/3. Roger?
Yes, sir. Roger that. All right. Well, it is wide open right now, and didn't really come up in. Still right half scale.
Okay, so you are running now mid-scale to 2/3. Is that correct?
Mid-scale to 2/3. Is that correct?
It's right at mid-scale.
All right, and like I say, we want it a little bit hotter than that, so we want it mid-scale to 2/3. That's important because that's part of your trying to get your dynamic range to 3 dB to increase your average percent of peak modulation to 80 to 85%. Roger?
80 to 85%. Roger?
Yes, sir. Well, my mic gain is at 100%, and mid-scale is as high as I can get it.
Okay. Well, what other? Do you have any other adjustments on that microphone that might be slowing the audio level down some?
The audio level down some?
No, sir. I just set it up according to HAL specifications, and didn't really like the way they sounded. He wanted me to do a compression of +7, but I didn't really like some of the crispness of some of the letters. Roger?
Yes, sir. Well, obviously, then he knows that the output of that mic is maybe a little low. That's why he wants a higher compression level. I think you sound good at a 3. How far are you working away from that microphone?
Working away from that microphone.
I'm working about 2 inches. That is what is recommended, but I'm ready for recommendations from Jim.
No, I would stay right there. You have a nice balance there. You might check your, do you know how to get to your transmit EQ?
How to get to your transmit EQ?
Yes, sir. I presently have bass on -1 and treble on a +3.
Yes, sir. I think you can move that bass up to 0, bass flat. I think you have enough room for that. And maybe advance to a 5 on your treble control. And then let me listen to you.
Okay, I moved the bass up to 0, and what did you want me to do on the treble?
Well, I want you to go on up to 5. You only have 5, so I think go on up to that one more to your 5 on treble EQ.
Your 5 on treble EQ?
Roger that. All right, bass is on 0 and treble is on 5.
Alrighty, and then tell me about your antenna system for about 10 seconds.
All right, sir. Well, I have a homebrew and inverted V up at 50 feet with 40, 80, and 20 on it, and it's been up about 14 years. Roger?
Yes, sir. Okay, well, I think we got you there. I think it sounds really good, nice and intelligible. So if you would like to hear it, if you go to YouTube and do a call letter search for KC9VKV, that's Kilo Charlie 9 Victor Kilo Victor, along with today's date, 12/11/20, that will take you to this recording, and you can hear the tune-up from the beginning to the end. Roger?
Beginning to the end. Roger.
Roger that, Mr. Jim. All right, I appreciate you, and I appreciate listening to you, and I appreciate you helping everybody. I do enjoy your videos. May God bless you, and have a very Merry Christmas. And 73, KC9VKV, W5RCD, 73.
Roger, Roger, Tony. 73 that way, sir. Thanks for checking in. If you get a chance, join us next Friday. We'd love to have you. This is KC9VKV. Gosh, we're getting ready to turn into a pumpkin, but we'll do one more. If there's somebody who'd like a radio check, give me a shout.
If you'd like a radio check, give me a shout.